Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, wey everybody know as JAMB, don set up special committee wey go investigate cases of exam malpractice wey dem catch during the 2025 exams. For Abuja on Monday, JAMB Registrar Ishaq Oloyede launched the 23-member Special Committee on Examination Infraction. He vex say exam fraud don dey grow too heavy as he reveal say results of 6,458 candidates still dey under investigation for high-tech cheating matter. Oloyede tok say exam malpractice don pass ordinary expo as now e don enter wetin him call technological sophisticated forms wey include biometric and identity fraud wey some accredited CBT centers and candidates dey do. He yarn say dem gatz take action quick to protect exam credibility. Oloyede also yarn say 141 cases of normal malpractice don already go JAMB disciplinary committee, but dis special committee go handle big criminal offence like image blending, fake albinism claim, finger pairing, and attempt to hack some CBT centers' local area network. E still give the committee their work terms, say dem must submit reports within 3 weeks after inauguration.
With the terms of reference of the committee, 1. Investigate all reported cases of image blending, finger blending, false claim of albinism, and result falsification in the 2025 examination admission. Number 2, identify the methods, pattern, tools, and technologies used to perpetrate this infraction. 3, review current examination and registration policies and recommend improvements. 4, determine the culpability or otherwise of each of the 6,458 suspected candidates whose results, excluding the albinism group, are still being withheld. 6,458. Recommend appropriate disciplinary actions or sanction against individuals or groups found culpable. Propose a proactive framework for the detection, deterrence, and prevention of technologically enabled examination fraud in future exercises. Consider and advise on any issue incidental or related to these issues. Submit a report not later than 3 weeks after the inauguration of the committee.
As they respond, the committee chairman, Dr. Jake Epele, hail Oloyede leadership and promise say dem go carry the work wella.
Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today deeply honored by the trust reposed in me to serve as the chairman of this special committee on examination infractions. I accept this responsibility with humility and with a profound sense of duty. Examination malpractice is not just a breach of rules. It is a direct assault on integrity, merit, and the future of our nation's youth. The task before us is therefore a sacred one. I believe that everyone in this committee, you don't have a committee job, you have a call from God Almighty to defend the credibility of our examinations, restore public confidence, and ensure that diligence and honesty remains the true pathway to opportunity. I assure you that I will lead this committee with fairness, transparency, and determination. Together, drawing from the expertise and commitment of every member here, we will investigate diligently, recommend firmly, and to design a framework that future-proofs that our examination system against fraud and abuse.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.